Hello, everyone. Welcome to another week. Have you set a goal yet for what to complete this week? At this point, you should be working on Block 4, Week 3 in order to stay on track in class. I have our live class session on Monday at 1 p.m. and then an open Google Meet for questions on Thursday at 1:30 p.m. and other times are available by appointment. I will also be out of the office on Wednesday for a field trip. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about class, and I'll be happy to help. I'm excited that our Creative Arts Slam is underway for poetry and artwork. The Fall Creative Arts Slam is open to any TRECA students in grades 7 through 12. The theme of the slam is spreading goodness, peace, and togetherness through your artwork and poetry. We're also continuing to award points and catch students being good following the Gator Way, which is a really cool program that will allow you to earn points that you can spend in our school store. So keep doing what you're supposed to in class and attending and participating in our Google Meets, and you'll continue to earn points. Well, have a great week and let me know if you need anything. Thanks.